Hey, let me show you how we can connect jack headphones into the Redmi 15. First of all, you will have to actually purchase some kind of the adapter from headphone jack into the USB-C. So you can actually find a lot of these products on Temu, AliExpress, Amazon, any websites. Just pick this one that fits your price preferences. And now you will have to also make sure that you have turned on OTG connection by going to the settings. Go to the additional settings, scroll all the way down and click OTG just over here. Now plug it into the USB-C port and then connect your headphones with your adapter. And now, as you can see, we are connected. There's the headphones icon over here, but also when you change volume level, it will change for the headphones icon, which means that everything is fine and we are successfully connected.